faux homesteader here back at the cabin. I'm prepping the bathroom. This is the room that I'll start in first. The shower is now complete. What I'll do now is I have some insulation that I'm going to put into the ceiling, and hopefully I'll be able to finish the bathroom today. You can see the bathroom is not a large space, so I should be able to get all the insulation into the ceiling today. And if I have some time, I will try to remove the mirror and the medicine cabinet above the sink, and I will think about removing the vanity if possible. Okay, I'm not going to film me putting the insulation into the ceiling, but what I'll do is I'll come back and show you what I've done. Okay, I'm back. Just wanted to show you that I finished putting the insulation in the ceiling in the bathroom. It's probably overkill, but since I had the insulation, why not use it? I was also able to insulate the ceiling just on the outside of the bathroom, so I got that all done. So the last part that needs to be insulated is the kitchen, the ceiling in the kitchen, and then that's it for the insulation, and then I could put up the boards to cover this up. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.